What is up, Tech Gang? Stefan here from TechRight, and today we have the LG Stylo 4 from Metro PCS, and I am super hyped for this phone. If you guys are, definitely hit that like button. But yeah, let's go ahead and unbox this bad boy. Stay tuned. Alright guys, just first and foremost, I wanted to show you the price because I know a ton of people were confused about the pricing point. So basically, you get $100 off if you're adding a phone to your line or you opening a new line. So if you're opening a new number for any of those reasons, you get $100 off. Now this is going to be into June 30th only, so definitely go as quick as possible if you guys want to go ahead and pick up this phone. So my total after tax, this is California tax, it might be different in your state, but it was $164.38. And this is an amazing price because the phone itself is $179, but with the $100 off, I actually got the $60 plan. So I got the hotspot and I got the unlimited plan with the LG Stylo 4 for only $164.38. So an amazing deal. So this is basically what the box looks like. We have the LG Stylo 4 Metro PCS. If we go to the back of the box, we have 4G LTE enabled Android. I believe it's going to be 7.1 or 8.0, not 100% sure yet. But we have a 6.2-inch Full HD full vision display, 18:9, which is nice. A 13 megapixel PDAF rear-facing camera with a Q lens, a 5 megapixel wide-angle front-facing camera, 32 gigabytes of ROM, 2 gigabytes of RAM. So we do have 2 gigabytes of RAM in this device. 1.8 gigahertz octa-core processor. Inside of the phone, we get an LG Stylo 4. Obviously, we get the Stylus, SIM card, charger with USB data cable, and a quick start guide. Some other features on here that I know some people don't know about is you can use up to 2 terabytes with a micro SD card, so that's really nice to expand your memory. Also, it has facial recognition, so really awesome as well. We'll see how good that is in other videos. And really a quick comparison between the LG Stylo 3 Plus and the LG Stylo 4. So it's actually a 1.8 gigahertz octa-core processor. You're coming up from a 1.4 gigahertz octa-core processor. We now have a 3300 milliamp battery. Before we had a 3080 milliamp battery. We now have a 6.2-inch Full HD Plus full vision TFT display. And for the LG Stylo 3 Plus, we had a 5.7-inch Full HD IPS display. And lastly, for the weight, it used to be 5.3 ounces, but now it is 6.07 ounces, almost 6.1 ounces, but it is actually a very hefty device. There are other notes here I got from the employee at the Metro PCS, but we're gonna go ahead and check out those later. Let's go ahead and unbox the phone. Let's go ahead and take this sticker off really quick. Alright guys, so what do we have in the box? I am super excited. Let's go ahead and pop this open. First and foremost, we have the phone. That is super heavy. Let's go ahead and save the best for last. We obviously have the SIM ejector tool. Next, we have the quick start guide. We have our SIM card in here as well. And we actually do have a fast charger inside of here. This is the wall charger, so pretty awesome. And yes, everyone, we have USB Type-C. I was definitely hoping for this. I was scared that we weren't going to get it, but we have USB Type-C. Really awesome here. All right, let's go ahead and take this slip cover off. Just slip it off right there. And wow, awesome. First and foremost, let's go ahead and take the IMEI number off the back of the phone. These stickers are kind of annoying. We have warning sticker as well. Let's go ahead and get that off real quick. All right, everyone. So first and foremost, we do have our 5 megapixel front facing wide angle camera. We have our headset at the top. We also have a proximity light sensor, it looks like. We have our 6.2-inch TFT display right here, but it is a full vision display, and this is going to be full HD plus. So we have that 1080p on here, so pretty awesome. Also, left side, we get the volume up and down rocker. And around this whole phone, it looks like we have a metal unibody. The back of the phone doesn't look metal, but on these sides, it looks like we have metal. Honestly, from the top, it looks like a Galaxy S7, and from the bottom it looks like a Galaxy S7. Tell me what you guys think in the comments down below, but I honestly love it so far. Bottom left of the phone is where we put our SIM card and micro SD card in. Right side of the phone is our power button. Now if we take a look at the bottom of the phone, this is where all of the stuff happens. First of all, we have a 3.5mm head jack. We have a noise canceling mic. We have a USB Type-C port, which I am loving so far, honestly. If you guys love USB Type-C, definitely leave in the comments down below. That's one of the things that I love about newer phones is it has USB Type-C. Just way more convenient. We also have the speaker, and we have our new stylus right here. I haven't looked at it yet, but let's go ahead and see how it looks. So this is our new stylus right here. It looks like a silver color. On the tip, it looks like it has some sort of different fabric. I've never seen that type of metal design or whatever on a stylus before. Hopefully there's something that has to do with maybe a pointer location with this. That'd be really dope. But let's go ahead and put that back inside of here and see what happens when we use that later. Backside of the device, we have this glossy, I'm not sure if it's plastic because it is really hard. It might be plastic, but yeah, we have our fingerprint sensor, we have our flash, and we have our 13 megapixel camera. Also at the bottom of the phone, we have some LG branding, but thank you Metro PCS for not putting any branding on your LG Stylo 4. It just looks way more cleaner. You know, Cricket Wireless likes to do this all the time. You know, if anybody from Cricket is listening, stop doing that. Just stop it. Also, top of the phone, we have another noise canceling mic. But yeah, let's go ahead and turn on this device. LG Stylo 4 powered by Android. Awesome. And as you guys see, we do have the proximity light sensor up there. It is flashing red right now. All right, guys, we have the phone right here. Obviously, the 18:9 aspect ratio. Looks like some other LG devices that are familiar, but a nice screen so far. Really nice, a big screen. Nice for media consumption, but we're going to go ahead and start this up. Another thing really quick, guys, we do have a 5 gigahertz band inside of this. So if you would like to use a 2.4 or a 5 gigahertz band, you guys can go ahead and use that on this device. Just wanted to get that out of the way for you. I just want to say really quick as well, guys, typing on this device is a freaking breeze. Honestly, it's so nice and responsive. Like, good job on this. Typing on this is absolutely perfect. I love this. All right, guys, so first impressions with the screen. Screen looks amazing. Screen looks absolutely perfect on here. We do have some other wallpapers if you guys want to take a look at that. They are wallpapers and themes on here, obviously from LG, but we have some really nice wallpapers on here. That you can go and download for free. We also have different themes you guys can go ahead and put on here, which is nice as well. I don't really ever change the theme unless I get super bored of a phone, but yeah. We also have different icons you can put on the phone, so if you guys want to customize this, you guys can do that to your heart's content. You know, do whatever you want to this LG phone. The other thing I wanted to get into is, yes, we do have Wi-Fi calling, so calls will be made over Wi-Fi if you guys are using Wi-Fi. But yeah, if you guys want Wi-Fi calling, we have it on this device. I know a lot of people wanted to know about that as well. Another thing, if we go ahead and go to the bottom of the phone, the stylus is right here. Let's go ahead and take it out. When the stylus is taken out, we do get these little things that pop up right here. We have pop memo, we have capture, we have gift capture, and we have pop lens. I believe you can add other ones as well that are in the LG store. So you can go ahead and add any of these. You can add Chrome, you can add camera, calendar, calculator, audio recorder, whatever you guys want to add to right here. But for pop memo, I'm pretty sure it's like writing notes and stuff like that. Actually, I haven't seen pop lens yet, but let's go ahead and see that. Awesome, this is dope. So you can basically go ahead and, you know, zoom in. Basically, that's what pop lens is. If you guys can't see something, maybe some people have really bad vision, then you can actually zoom in on what you need to see. So that's pretty awesome. We have GIF capture as well, so you guys can go ahead and capture a GIF. It says, you may use GIF capture solely for creative purposes. You acknowledge that the use of GIF capture involving infringement on any other person's rights, such as a copyright, defamatory, any of that stuff. So just don't go ahead and, you know, obviously copy someone, but you can record a GIF just on your screen, just using this right here. So you obviously can go ahead and space that out and move it around like this. So you can, you know, capture a GIF. So that's pretty cool. Another thing is just regular capture and pop memo. I'm pretty sure you guys know the gist of that already. And if you put the pen back in the phone, it pops back up and you're back to the home screen. But yeah, so far everything's really nice. I wanted to take a look at the messaging app as well, because a lot of people want to take a look at the emojis for some reason. So let's go ahead and go into the emojis. All right, so these are the type of the emojis we have inside of this phone. Again, this phone is very, very quick and responsive, so 2 gigabytes of RAM shouldn't be bad, but we are going to see in the future how this does hold up. But these are the type of emojis we get, and I know some people wanted to know about this, so those are the type of emojis we get. Another thing, let's go ahead and take a look at the software right here. So let's go ahead and go into the software, go into general, take a look at about phone and the software information. So we do have Android 8.1 inside this device. So we have Oreo. We have full Oreo on this device. Awesome. That is definitely a win. But yeah, we have Oreo. So good stuff. All right, guys. So another thing that I want to go ahead and check out or show you guys is, yes, obviously this is an LG device. So we have tap to wake and tap to sleep, tap to wake. Also, the fingerprint sensor on this device is pretty fast. 3, 2, 1. unlocks super fast, and it's pretty responsive as well. I've got 100% response rate from it so far. Let's go ahead and test that again. 3, 2, 1, go. So yeah, 100% response rate, very accurate. Good job, LG, on your budget devices. Like, awesome job. Another thing I want to show you as far as the drop down menu goes is we have NFC in this phone. That is a freaking win. We have NFC in a sub $200 phone. This is absolutely amazing, honestly. We also have Capture Plus. We have a 5G gigahertz band I already talked about. We have Bluetooth, rotation, flashlight, obviously, and we have this thing called DTS 3D sound, and I believe you have to have a, yeah, it says surround sound, connect an audio device, so you have to have another audio device, so we can use 3D surround sound on this. I'm going to definitely try that out later on, so definitely stay tuned and subscribe. That's pretty awesome. Also, if we swipe to the left, we get a comfort view, do not disturb right here, and a data saver. So really nice stuff. We also have this thing at the bottom called file sharing. If you go ahead and click on that, it says allow nearby devices to find your phone anytime via Bluetooth, low energy, to send your images, music, videos, and etc. So you guys can go ahead and do that while turning on file share. But most likely you wouldn't do that because we do have NFC on this device, so transferring stuff is basically just holding a phone together that has NFC. So really, really good stuff, and I am super surprised. And obviously the huge thing that a lot of people want to take a look at is the camera, so just want to save that for last. Let's go into the camera right here. And we do actually have a Q lens on here. It says you can tag locations and videos by your location, but let's go ahead and turn that on. Man, this camera actually looks decent. It's on HDR mode right now, actually, but it looks nice. We have portrait mode on here as well. We have the wide portrait mode on here as well. And we can actually take a photo with our hand as well, or you can take 4 photos doing it twice, so that's pretty cool. We have portrait mode on this device too. Pretty awesome. Wide angle and or regular camera. But I'm gonna go ahead and take a photo and see how it looks. Front-facing camera so far, good stuff, LG. This is a really nice front-facing camera. We get a ton of detail in here. Good job. Nice front-facing camera. I thought it was gonna be way worse. I was thinking it was gonna be like doo-doo. It's good. It's pretty good. So fair game to you, LG. You did a good job on a budget phone camera for once. Awesome. Another thing that we're gonna take a look at is the rear-facing camera, and straight away the colors are popping, and the colors are just beautiful on this. So obviously how we have been doing it so far is we have this little Joust arcade machine. We're gonna go ahead and take a little picture of it really quick and see how this looks. Awesome. So let's go ahead and take a look at this. Man, if that's not the clearest budget camera I've seen yet, that is super clear, guys. This is honestly a really nice camera so far. We also have some other modes inside of here. We have food mode, we have matte shot, we have guide shot, snapshot, grid shot, panorama, and flash jump cut. Let's go ahead and take a look at matte shot really quick. So it says take 2 photos in order by tapping 1, 2 at the top of the camera preview. Tap gallery in the top left corner to use a photo from the gallery as the first shot. It says take 2 photos by tapping 1, 1. All right, cool. Let's go ahead and try that really quick. So basically you can use the front and rear facing camera, so that's pretty cool. Let's go ahead and try this. 1, 2. Awesome. So you get a photo that comes out like this, and this is pretty dope. Obviously you can go ahead and share this or save it to gallery. Pretty nice. Another mode we have on here is guide shot as well, snapshot, grid shot. But yeah, guys, as you saw, we do have other modes on here. I'm gonna get that done in my full camera review and the full review as well. But good camera, man. Really nice camera so far. You guys did a really good job. But yeah, that's probably all we're going to take a look at right now. Obviously, I'm going to be pumping out multiple videos a day on this device, so you guys do not have to worry. And if you guys do want a specialty video, definitely leave it in the comments down below. I reply to every single comment now, so definitely leave a comment and I will do a video on the LG Stylo 4 for it. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please leave a like as well as subscribing. If you guys are not a part of the tech gang already, you, the new person behind the screen, definitely hit that subscribe button. Also, if you guys want to be notified for more LG Stylo 4 stuff, definitely hit that notification bell because you guys will have to be notified for this awesome device. So far, for $164 with an unlimited plan, it is a definite go. But yeah, guys, this has been Stefan from TechRight. Peace out, Tech Gang.